and Craft.
Friends, welcome back to and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make this paper wallet. You can also say it a desk organizer because you can organize things inside it. You can see it has so many sections. You can keep your money, coins inside it, as it is a wallet as well. And you can make it in different designs as well. It looks so beautiful and this is so attractive, guys. I love this craft. If you also want to make it, let's move on to how to make it. our craft is ready. In today's video we made this paper wallet. You can also say it a desk organizer because you can organize your things inside it. You can keep different things in different portions. Wow, you can see this. It looks so attractive and beautiful, and it has so many sections. You can keep anything inside them, and the outer look is super cool as well. It's so cute. You can also decorate it in a sober way, or you can decorate it with a cartoonic look for the children. And you can keep money inside it, some cards inside it, and even coins inside it. So if you like my crafts, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.